Hello, this is Solomon Davis from Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. Today is May 14th, 2017, and this is my weekly trade review, where I review a morning NASDAQ trade, 9:30 open. Red candle, we trade down. Green candle, we trade up. We look to make 5 points or more, or take a 5 point or less loss on the given trade. This is all for educational purposes only. Let's state that. Because trading is risky. You can and will lose money in trading. So uh, let me jump right on in my presentation. Like I say, this is the weekly trade review. For today is May 14th for the week of May 8th through May 12th. Visit us at Right Side Trading. That's the website you just saw. We are updating. We're in the middle of making updates to it. You can contact us at info@rightsidetrading.com. You can contact me at solomon@rightsidetrading.com. You can give me a call directly at 727-69QQQ09, or that's 6977709. Let's jump back. Let's go. Boom. Okay, for this past week, like I say, this is a weekly trade review. We're looking at the future market. I'm also, like I've been saying, I'm also looking at QQQ because I like trading QQQ. I see that as a better trade for myself. Uh, the week of, like I say, May 8th through May 12th. On May 8th, it was up and got stopped out. May 9th, it was up and got 10. May 10th, it was down and we got 10. May 11th, it was up and we got stopped out. May 12th, it was up and we got stopped out on the future trade. Let's take a look at the chart. Okay, now on the chart, I'm looking at a big picture. Like I said in my other video, I've been trading the Qs the whole while, but the way I trade, I like trading dips and going long. Trading dips and going long when the market is in an uptrend. We've got the places that look like tops, but we've broken those tops, and we've broken a few tops in the last couple of weeks. We've been getting new highs, pullbacks, new highs, pullback, new highs, pullback. And I like trading stuff like that, but I know it's not a day trade. It's a longer term trade. So and I like trading those things with options or options and stock combination. It's the way I like doing some of those because I like other strategies around. If I'm holding stock, I like selling calls against them. I like buying. I like selling puts to get into my positions and stuff like that. So there's other trades that I do, but I do love day trading. And that's the whole thing. Every day is not a good day for day trading, and that's the whole thing with showing this Nasdaq trade. It's kind of like to get you to see, okay, when is a good day and when isn't a good day. So now, big picture here, it's been going up. Let me just minimize that to get it completely out of the way. And now let's zoom in at our 5-minute trades that we're going to. And that's the other thing. Again, let's go back to the 8th. See why is my screen not quite right? I need to maximize that screen. Go back to Monday. That's Monday. Right there. Let's zoom in a little bit. All we need to see is that. Do the same thing over here on Monday. Let's zoom in a little bit and see what happened. Okay, like I said, Monday, this first candle, this is the thing right here. This one really kind of faked you out on Monday, and because it was breaking these tops, and we was above pivot. So again, although it came down, you might have got an entry, but it came down too much, and that's the whole thing about knowing when to get out of a trade. Look like it's not going to work. You're out of that trade, and then once you're out of that trade, like I say, what's your next best play? But on Monday, it was up and you got stopped out. And the same thing on QQQ. It was up. It didn't give you as much on with options, trading options. There's a whole different strategy to deciding if you're gonna go up or not go up with the Qs and with options. So you have to always looking for that next best play or your next best entry, based on what you were seeing and all. So, and it's a whole different game. But that's what I need. I'm looking at that now myself because we just went too far right there. Because I've traded them before. I know how I need to trade them. and also I look at I know how to look at it, and but I need to look. I'm looking at charts again on here on Tuesday. That's not Tuesday. I think that was Tuesday. Yeah, that's Tuesday. It's up to 10. Tuesday was a good day. Those who know me know that that's a good day for me. Market going up is good. That's not it. There we are. Even on the options, it was a good day. We're above again. We're above pivot. We at R1. We're pushing down. The market have been trending up, up for 10, great for 10 or more. All according how you played that day. Next day. This is a down day, and this is another. This is a good down day. Again, we had that little double top thing going on, like the fake out breakout type thing. And it was down for 10, down really good. Let's look at the other chart though on QQQ on that slide here. Again, same type thing. You can see a little topping pattern here, down great for 10. Now the next couple of days we ended up getting stopped out. But let's take a look at that. This is a up right here. That next candle was the doji. And that was kind of like, we had a reversal pattern. We were also up under the cloud. So again, this is where you learn to say, okay, I don't think this is going to work. I didn't catch that top. It wasn't enough points even if I got into this trade, cut my losses. And the way this thing was thinking it was going to break to the upside, but it was underneath the cloud. It didn't break the cloud. We were at S1 and it couldn't break S1 to the upside, and the market had been trending down, tried to come back up but couldn't break this area, this supply area right here, and so down it went. There again, your next best play, your next best entry. Now let's look at it over on QQQ. There it is right there. Same type thing underneath the cloud, reversal pattern, boom, down. But on the strategy, if you played it up, you got stopped out. The thing is just taking a small loss on those days like that when you see stuff like that. On the next days, same type thing. Let me see if I can back up a little bit. Let me go over here. Here. It was again another up and stopped. Let me just grab just this little area here. Zoom in a little bit more. That's just what I want to see right there. Again, this is one of those ones where if you saw the bigger picture, we are above R1, so we expect this thing to go up. But when you get into this trade, on the future market, you're here. It doesn't break this area, your R2 level. Your R2 level is back down, and then this is just a choppy day. Man, it was a choppy day. Chopping in here all day long. Yeah, and the thing was, what was your next best play? Did you play it off here and play it up a little while, or what? But on that 5-minute play, you needed to get out of that trade. You was out of that trade. I was out of that trade. Because it didn't never really close down this low until over here, and all to stop you out. But you might have been out of this trade, back here somewhere, or maybe even up here taking a small gain or a smaller loss on this trade. And the same thing with the option. The option prices never got right. It never really were moving, and again, you are out of that trade. So let's switch back over to the other screen. A lot of changes. Like I say, on May 8th, it was up and stopped. May 9th, it was up for 10. May 10th, down for 10. Then the next 2 days, Thursday and Friday, was both up, but you got stopped out. This is Solomon with my weekly trade review for May 14th. Today is May 14th for the week of May 8th through May 12th. Visit us at rightsidetrading.com. Email us at info@rightsidetrading.com. Email me directly at solomon@rightsidetrading.com. You can call me at 727-69-QQQ09 if you would like more information on any of these trading strategies. Again, thank you for viewing, share, like, subscribe, and you have a great week trading. Talk to you later. Bye.